Learning about soil and crops. Soil and crops. Different types of soils are found in different parts of India. In some parts, there is clay soil. In some parts, there is
loamy soil,
while in some other parts, there is sandy soil. Soil is affected by wind, rainfall, temperature, light and humidity. These are some important climatic factors which affect the soil profile and bring changes in the soil structure. The climatic factors as well as components of soil determine the various types of vegetation and crops that might grow in any region.
clay and loamy soils are both suitable
For growing cereals like wheat and gram, such soils are good at retaining water. For paddy, soils rich in clay and organic matter and having a good capacity to retain water are ideal. For lentils and other pulses,
loamy soils,
which drain water easily, are required. For cotton,
sandy or loamy,
which drain water easily and can hold plenty of air, are more suitable. A case study. Students were taken for a case study where they met a person named Leeladhar of Sohagpur in Madhya Pradesh. Students asked him to tell them which soil is used in preparing items like surahi, matki, kala, that is earthen frying pan, etc. Students asked him from where he obtained the soil. Leeladhar told that they brought the black soil from a piece of barren land. Then students asked how the soil is prepared. Leeladhar explained dry soil is being placed in a large tank and will be cleaned of pebbles, etc. After removing these things, the soil will be soaked for around 8 hours. This soil would be kneaded after mixing horse dung. The kneaded soil would be placed on the wheel and given appropriate shape. The final shape is given with hands. All the items are baked at high temperature after drying in the air. The items are colored after 3 days of drying. Students then asked him why the horse dung is mixed in soil. Leeladhar Dada explained them that burnt horse dung helps open up the pores in the soil so the water could percolate out of the matkas and surais, evaporate and cools the water inside. You know, Sohagpuri surais and matkas are famous in far-off places like Jabalpur, Nagpur, Allahabad, etc. Soil erosion. The removal of land surface by water, wind or ice is known as erosion. Plant roots firmly bind the soil. In the absence of plants, soil becomes loose, so it can be moved by wind and flowing water. Erosion of soil is more severe in areas of little or no surface vegetation such as desert or bare lands. So, cutting of trees and deforestation should be prevented and efforts should be made to increase the green areas. Did you know? Rivers of North India, which flow from Himalayas, bring a variety of materials including silt, clay, sand and gravel. They deposit their materials called alluvial soil in the plains of North India. This soil is very fertile and supports nearby half the population of India. Summary. Soil holds water in it, which is called soil moisture. The capacity of soil to hold water is important for various crops. Clay soil is used to make pots, toys, and statues. That is all in this chapter. Keep learning.